AudioKey 3 can help you find a lost audio processor by showing where you last connected to AudioKey 3. Then you can retrace your steps. Select Find My Processor from the menu. Select the processor you are looking for. A map will appear with an audio processor icon marked on it. This shows the exact location where you last used AudioKey 3 with the audio processor you are looking for. Once you are very close, for example, in the same room as your audio processor, you can turn on the nearby search. Move slowly around the room. As you move, the red dots on the scale will light up. The more red dots there are, the closer you are to your audio processor. When all the dots are red, your audio processor is very close.